It's a prank, Eme.
Buksan nyo!
Ano to?
Mga spare key at feeling ko.
Oh my God! Ang bongga!
Weird ones pa!
Can we talk about this makeup? Oh my God, look at my lashes. They're like literally... And also these furry cuties. Okay, I'm gonna shoot my Christmas content right now. And I just finished doing my makeup. It's already 4 p.m. I think. And I look so cute. It's gonna add accessories for this look. I don't know if I should do silver or I will finalize and you guys will see it later. So we're just gonna do like a very simple red background. And I'm in plaid skirt. I'm gonna wear the headpiece later. And I think we're gonna start. We're just gonna do some retouch and let's go. Oh my God, I just finished shooting my holiday content. I haven't eaten yet. I haven't had lunch nor dinner. I fasted for this. I even fasted last night. So this is crazy. I look extra skinny right now, but I look so toned. Hey baddies, welcome to the vlog. I'm so sorry I'm so shirtless. Kakatapos ko lang finalizing my Christmas gifts for my family and for my friends. Yeah, for my family. Sorry, medyo messy yung room because, girl, this holiday is crazy, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got for my family. So, anyway, welcome again to the Christmas vlog! Actually, lahat na sa ilalim ng kamo yung mga gifts ko. So I bought some paper bags. Actually, never na ako nag-gift wrap ever. Linalagay ko na lang lahat sa paper bag because hindi ako magaling mag-gift wrap ng gifts. So, sobrang convenient ng paper bags. Like, you're just gonna put your gift inside the paper bag and it's done. But to make it a little special, I also bought these parang Japanese paper. Like, yung alam mo yung pop-arte lang sa gift. Something like. So, this first gift, I think this is for Nat, yung pinaka-youngest namin. I think this is a remote control para sa game. Kasi mahilig siya mag-games, mag-computer games. So, actually, nasa wishlist niya to. So, hindi niya alam kung binili ko ba to or hindi. Pero binili ko for him. This is what I got for him. And ito may warranty pa siya sa likod. So, perfect siya. Super good. I also got him another gift. Sobrang random niya. Pero nasa wishlist niya to. So, binili ko na rin sa kanya. This one. Para siyang rice cooker. No, it's not rice cooker. Pwede kang magluto dito actually. Pwede yung rice cooker, so pwede ka rin magluto. So, ayan siya. So, i-paper bag na natin siya. Inside. Tingnan mo, like, sobrang convenient. Actually, baka hindi ata magkakasya ata. Okay, this one's perfect. This one's perfect. Put her in. Good. Yay! This one inside. Peel it. Ayun no, like, sobrang cute. Then, we're just gonna add the Japanese paper. Bumili ako nito para lang may element of surprise. You know what I mean? Para naman may dating lang. Oh! Napunit ko. Ang galing ko. Napunit. Ayan siya. Then we're just gonna put it inside. Exciting. Ayan. Super cute na natignan. Diba? Diba? Just flop it out. Next gift is for Carlos. So, he wanted the Redmi pala to. Hindi pala Xiaomi to. Anyway, he wants the Redmi smartwatch. I got him also a pair of wireless earphones. So super good. It also comes with an accessories. Ayan. Paper bag. Into the paper bag you go. Period. Pero alam mo, 10 pesos lang to each. So get ko na. Avail na natin yan, che. And then add the palamuti. Oh my god, nakalimutan ko sulatan yung diba? And that's so cute. That is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna write the name para malaman ko kung kanino. Kulay green yung paper bags, kulay green yung pinapagsulat ko. Ang galing, diba? Oh my god, I love Christmas. It is the holidays for the people who has love language for gift giving. Period. Okay, next gift is this one's for Ate. I got her the Bath and Body Works kasi nasa wishlist na to. Ang mahal pala ng isang candle dun. Pero Deadma, ang sarap nung amoy niya. Oh my gosh. That is so good. I got her 2 candles. So good, so good. I also got her this one. Sana nila magjowa. I got this at TikTok shop. And sobrang kanti. Girl, look at this. It's giving ano? It's giving Deal or No Deal. Tan, 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 tan. Vines. Oh, so briefcase siya. So when you open it. Girl. Oh my gosh. These are like gold-plated stainless steel spoon and forks. This is I think the 24 set. This is cunt. This is cunty. This is cunty. I love that. May homebody sila, super perfect. I'm gonna wrap this na lang with... Hindi ko kasi alam kung kakasya siya sa paper bag. Ay, kasya siya, dear. Fantasy. Che, fantasy siya. Pero baka masira kasi yung paper bag, so i-gift wrap na lang natin siya later. I also got this same gift para sa wife ni Carlo, si Sophie. And like, ay, fantasy siya. Che, di ba? Kaso nasira yung handle. Laro, so dead man na lang. Next gift is for my mom's partner. I got him a perfume. It's so good. This is from Oxygen. This is so good. It smells like Dior Sauvage perfume and Nocturne from Oxygen. Okay, next one is for my mom. I got her this blower hair dryer. She used to own this parang ganito pero different brand, different design, and nalalang parang nasira na ata or naiwan niya ata somewhere else. So I got her a new one. It's so cute. The color is so cute, especially the box. Look at the minty color. That is so cute. That is so perfect. Kasi actually hindi ko na alam talaga kung nabibiling ko kay mami. Kasi parang halos lahat meron na siya. And ayoko na siya regaluhan ng bag kasi hindi niya ginagamit yung bags. Mas ginagamit yung mga Louis Vuitton niyang bag. So hindi ko pa afford yun. Hindi ko mabili ang sarili ko ng Louis Vuitton. So I got her this. I think this is the perfect gift for her. And I got her a different paper bag. So perfect na to. So off you go, Miss Ma'am. Period! Ayan, dyan ka. Ay, kasha siya. Fantasy. Diba? Orange. Super cute. Ayan, sulatan natin ng name. Mommy! So ito yung regalo ko kay Dad. Sobrang perfect na to. A shaver. Period. At may presyo pa. So yan, shaver siya, electric shaver. Sobrang cute, sobrang perfect. Merry Christmas sa'yo. Ayan. My gift for Luna. Bluey, super cute. I found this online and sobrang cute kasi amats niya ngayon yung Bluey. So, I got her the character. Diba? Sobrang cute pa ng mga characters eh. Fantasy. Luna! Divine. Ito sa other brother ko, si Jul. I bought him yung mga amats niyang he likes kasi amats niya yung mga flavored strawberries. So I got him this flavored strawberry stick O. Also got him this flavored strawberry Pocky, flavored strawberry soya milk, flavored strawberry knickknacks. Ayun. Into the paper bag. Mga bote-bote ko. Sobrang cute. So cute. Hindi pa masira. To the paper bag. Ayan, nasa loob na siya. So cute. Okay, let's add the Japanese paper. Last gift, of course, for my girl Diane. I got her a gift. Paano ko mapapakita? Hindi pa rin nabubuksan. I got her this cap na waterproof. So, pwede pang gym. And it's in the color neutral. Makita niyo naman yung fantasy. O, diba? This is from Blanc Nu. From this brand, Blanc Nu. Super cute ng color na neutral. Divine. Tapos pa nag-gym pa siya, hindi papawisan, walang asing factor. Shirt na neutral din kasi amat siya yung mga oversized shirts. So I got her this one. This one is just so cute. Ayun o. Super cute lang. Tapos may print ng Blanc Nu. Very minimal. Ganito yung color niyang sinusuot palagi, I swear. So, this is the perfect gift for her. I'm literally the best gift giver ever. So the paper bag. Ayan. Perfect. Super cute! Ayan, yay! We got all the gifts. Oh, wait, I forgot to show you guys. I got Pia a gift as well. Wait, may paganito sa siya. Ayan, fantastic. I got Pia her favorite Victoria's Secret scents. Bago may resibo pa. So, I got her yung bombshell na scent and this a very sexy night scent, you know. Super cute. Deserve nito kasi she's my bestie. Bibigay ko sa kanya ito mamaya. Pupunta ako sa kanya later. Wait lang, napagod ako. Oh my god, it looks so cute all together. The colors and all. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you guys. I got a gift for someone so special to me. Like, he's been really so supportive of me. He's been with me through ups and downs. Like, he has seen all the good and bad in me, and I'm just like so grateful for him. I got him a gift, and that gift is for me! But you thought, wala pa akong jowa, I'm still single, so I got myself some gifts. So, but y'all thought I got gifts for my family lang. I also got myself something, of course, because I deserve ko. I've been working so hard this year. So, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So the first thingy I got is, actually I got this nung November pa, but I'm still gonna show you guys. I got myself some AirPods. Like, this is the AirPods 4, I think this is the AirPods 4. Pinapakita ko sa inyo. Kasi I'm so tired of wearing my headphones na. Girl, tingnan mo naman yung case niya, yung sa bag pa ng blank no. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng case ever, but this is my AirPods. So cute. Ala, iba siya. May dumi na, may tutulin. Ayan, super cute lang. Like, it's so cute. I love it so much. I've been using it every freaking single day. Sobrang convenient na. Next is, I finally got myself a speaker from JBL. Girl, it's so cute. Wait, let's try it. May battery ba to? Let's try it. Ayun, wala na. Ayan, nag-connect na. At did it! Period. It sounds so nice. I love it. Got myself a new perfume. So, gusto ko na bumili yung perfume even though sobrang dami kong perfume. Pero, I got myself this one. Pinudulo ko ni Jeyo dito pero sobrang bango kasi talaga niya. I got this from the Body Shop. Yung de Parfum. Yeah, de Parfum. This smells so... Nandito pa rin siya sa arm ko. This smells so good. It reminds me of Delina, yung perfume na Delina. So good, girl. I'll be wearing this a lot. Ang cute pa nung packaging niya. So cute. So I went to Pabder. Oh my god. First time ko lang ever to na-discover tong brand na to. Pero alam ko matagal na siya nasa mall. And dinala ko ni Jeyo dito kasi sabi ko, tumitingin kami ng bags. Sabi ko, I would spend money on this bag kasi sobrang sulit niya. Real leather siya. Cow leather ata siya. And girl, oh my god. But before I show you guys the bag, I'm gonna show you guys this one first. I got a new wallet. Kasi girl, yung wallet ko from Charles & Keith pa, sobrang luma. Like, tingnan mo, natanggal na yung tag niya, oh. Tapos kinakalawang na yung zipper. And oh my god, I got myself a real leather wallet! Like, this is so sleek. Hindi siya bulky. I don't like bulky wallets ever. So this is so cute! Girl, like, it has a card holders at the back. May space here for more, like, if you want to add more IDs or cards. And dito mo pwede ilagay yung money mo. Girl, like, sobrang sleek na lang, and it's real cow leather. It's so cute, so that's that. This is the bag. The bag of the bag of the Yes, ma'am. Oh my god! It comes with a dust bag pala. I love this so. When I saw this, I was like, I need to get her. Here's the bag. Oh my god, she's so slick. Girl, yung strap niya para siyang belt. Ayan siya. And it has textures. Ayun, I don't know you can tell yung textures sa bag. Also, meron siyang... Wait, asan na yun? Meron siyang mga leather tassel. It is so cunt. May leather tassel siya here. Meron din siya leather tassel dito. That is so cunty. It's giving very Balenciaga biker bag. Pero different design, whatever. And also the silver hardware, it's just so cute. I'm just so obsessed with this. Girl, wait, let me show you guys when I wear it. Wait, let me show you guys. It is so cute. This is so cute, I swear. It is so cute. It's real leather and you can adjust. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it as a body bag. Wait, let me show you. Girl, oh my god, this is just so good. I love. But like, girl, this bag is from Pabder. I love this. Merry Christmas to me! Meron akong leather bags, like real leather bags, pero bigay lang sa akin yun. And finally, I bought myself a real leather bag. It's just so cute. It's just so good. I love it so much. I love it! I love it! Okay, pupunta na tayo kay Pia para ibigay yung gift niya. So, let's go! Dito na ako. Hello po, Tito. Merry Christmas! Bless po. Merry Christmas, T! Merry Christmas, ate ko! Fantasy ka dyan, sis. Period. Enjoy. Good morning, baddies! So, right now, I'm getting ready. Punta tayo sa Tagaytay kay Mami. Wala akong energy mag-vlog, sorry. By the way, may binili akong cluster na lashes from TikTok shop. And you don't have to apply glue on these anymore. Like, you're just gonna apply it directly to your lashes, which is cute. Pero she's not as strong as yung mga paglalagay talaga ng glue. So, pero kaya rin na to, in a way, may pabilisan lang. So this is the cutesy, very quick look. Look at my lashes. Oh my god, they're so cute. I'm just gonna fix my stuff and I will see you guys in Tagaytay! We're now on our way to Tagaytay kay Mami. Ayun na sila lahat sa likod. Ayan, so yeah. We'll be there in a few minutes. Ayan, may dala sila. Hindi na kami pagkain mo, hindi kami nag-almusal. So ayan. See you guys later! We're here! Kami after 2 hours or 1 hour? We're here! Papa, Merry Christmas! Mama! Merry Christmas!
360 ba yan?
Ha? 360? Tingin presyo eh. Kain na tayo. May pakitering ang ina. Kain na sila. Hindi nagpasabay ako. Nagpasabay. May kanin.
How can you do that by turning?
Ang sarap! Ang sarap!
Okay, nagsiset design na po kami for the family picture. Diyan yung camera eh, dyan no. Sa labas. Ano? Concheta. Punyeta? Uy, wala na akong
Saan ka, Josh? Saan ka?
May pwesto pa ako dyan, ha? Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's go. Ready in 3, 2. Waki! 1, 2, 3. Last one, Waki. Check natin dito. Sigaw tayo sa camera ang It's a Wrap! It's a Wrap! Ito niya!
Jollibee!
Merry Christmas! Tajix, kita ka nagmamap.
Kanino pa yan? Oh,
1, 2, 3.
agency.
Luna game!
Ano yung cute yung talaga?
Carl, hindi na.
So, kakatapos lang namin mag-picture taking. It was a good time.
Nagluluto na si mami ko. Ang sarap naman yan! Napakasarap! Mas masarap tong nanay ko! Ayan, may chicken. May chicken tayo. Anong chicken to, ma?
Ching-ching.
Roasted chicken. Ano? Pot roast. Mag-celebrate kami ng early kasi ayaw namin mapuyat. Ano na kami? Amerikano na kami. So yun. Hindi na kami sasalubong kasi baka mapuyat kami. At saka pa nagsalubong kami. Galit na yung mga tao dito. Like kasi wala nang energy. Ano na, 6:32 na and we're gonna celebrate it at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. mga ganun. So, kakain na! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Pila na, oh.
Merry Christmas! Kakain na! Wow! Potted roast! Chicken roast made by Marie Muldong Cruz! The Angry Chef from Baguio. Ano yun? Ano yung kainan sa Baguio? Angry? Grumpy Joe? From Grumpy Joe by the Grumpy. The Grinch of Christmas. The Grinch who cooked for Christmas. Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ang ingay pang 12 midnight pero 8 o'clock pala. Ay, 7 o'clock pala.
Kunwari yun.
Merry Christmas!
Christmas!
Arlie, di ka nagpapatugtog ng Christmas song. Asa yung speaker? Di ba may speaker ka?
What do we say in Christmas? Merry?
Merry Christmas!
Ayun na, nagising na si Scrooge. Si Scrooge. Si Ebenezer. Papa, Merry Christmas! Naman, gulat na gulat. Tara na! Merry Christmas, Papa. Merry Christmas, Zoo. Merry Christmas.
It's gift giving time. Gift giving. So for OA. Yay! Yay! Maya, lumilipad yung mga regalo! Shit! Ay! Parang nangangasar!
Oy, sino ko na?
Corn pink! Ang cute! Soaking ko to. Laro. Ay, meron bang isa! Ang dami! Ay, ang cute! Poison! Ay, puro crafta! Thank you!
Siyempre, makeup artist namin yan.
Spice Girls! Ang cute! Yay! That's so cute! That's so cute! Okay, it's Carla's turn, and Sophie's turn, and Luna's turn! Merry Christmas! Wow! So many! This is mine! Thank you! Gusto ko! Nabuksan ko na! Ito na ako kanina! Wow, massage gun! Ano yan? Ano yan?
Sasakyan?
Eh! Mali yun! Hindi mo sinabi! Bibigay na ni Mami yung car! Yung mukha ni Mami, hindi power. Power bank! Shit!
Ako na ba?
Yes! Ah! Wait! Shit! Ito pa! Ay! 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 Nagpapahabol! Ay! Ba't nagpapahabol? Ano ba yan? Yay! Mami! Merry Christmas! Ano yun? Bakit coins? Bakit? Labas tayo, labas! Labas daw! Labas! Wala akong tsinelas. Bakit bariya?
Brand new! Pa-practice niya lahat! O, diba? Ayaw tumugtog
Ha?
yan.
Eme ka!
It's a prank!
It's a prank, Eme.
Buksan nyo!
Ano to?
Raspberry king nga.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ang dami mga going cars!
It's a brand new old.
Shit! Thank you, Mami! Pasabog ang regalo! Ang taray ng regalo! Merry Christmas! Laro! Wait, hindi ko in-expect yun!
Joshua, bakit bariya yung laman?
Ako kasi di ba, bakit 20 pesos ba to? Hello, Mami, thank you! Nagkakalaro!
Lala, gano'n na ang driver ni Joshua.
Eh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yan pala yung reason yan! Oh my God! Totoo nga! Oh my God! Ay, bongga! Ang bongga!
Brand new TV.
Laro! Okay, it's my turn to give my gifts! Magpalakpakan!
Hanap pa may regalo.
Okay, Lola! Open, open! Open, open!
Blow it, blow it! Yeah!
Hug. Merry Christmas! Next is Carla!
Wow, it's a blooming!
Oh! May earbuds pa! Wow! May bawis tropa! Thank you! Thank you! Good yan! Open, 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 open! Open, dali, open! Grocery! Sun silk! Cream silk! Stick o strawberry! Merry Christmas, Jules! Okay, next! Lisa and SJ! Mababasag pa yung regalo ko sa kanya.
Bantot mo kasi daw.
Oh my God!
Yung blue din masarap. Yung blue din masarap.
So, tita! Tayo bango!
Buksan mo na yan!
Nakulol si SJ dito.
May marami. 24 karat! SJ Sophie! Sophie! Buksan mo na yan!
Ay, ang ganda!
Pakita mo.
Salamat! Thank you!
Merry Christmas! Mabango yan!
Oy, thank you!
Bestseller yan! Bestseller!
Thank you, Josh!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you very much!
O saan mo akit yan?
Wow! Teka! Kasi may bakit kami. Ay, ang ganda! Sophie, oh!
Okay na, kompleto na. Merry Christmas everyone. OA.
Merry Christmas, Nat-Nat! Pandor? Wow!
Wow! And this one is for...
Merry Christmas! Sa timing, wrong timing. Thank you, John!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas! La, grabe, may car na, may regalo pa. Hey buddies, so we just got home here in Valenzuela. I think this red shirt is okay now. Yes, I'm gonna put a little perfume because it smells so good. Let me just do my hair real quick. We are getting ready for Christmas, huh? May Christmas. Cute nung setup ni Daddy, oh. Cute! Fine, may par charcuterie. Bongga. Puta, may ham. Pasta. Putanes ka. Ay, ito na yung kaldereta. O, tara na. Let's take the family picture. Luna, don't play with that. What's that? Merry Christmas! And then it map. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Kasi,
Marunong mag-intro. Ka na lang, oh. Ayun na. Ayun na. Uy, Carlo! What? Ano walang kwenta? Panis. May anik-anik. Mauna na ako. Daddy, Merry Christmas!
bibili yan. Sa Watson. Hindi, mali. Dito sponsor ha.
Ay, wait.
Panoorin mo pa yung vlog ko. Pwede ka mag-shave habang nag-shower. Ayan. At saka digital yan. Ano, tinry na agad. Ayan, digital yan. Laro.
Ready na
Give your gift na to Wow.
Sirahin mo na yung rock.
Sirahin mo na Dan.
I-recycle niya pa yan.
Shaver na naman! Gusto ko to.
Vacuum! Naku, pwede pang panglinis.
Kasi yung para yung mga kabasketball mo, hindi ka nilalait. Ayan na.
Sobrang boy ko.
D-Way option please.
Gusto mo ito dyan? Ito.
Ito, bag. This one, you like? O yung shoes na lang.
Si ate naman.
One gallon lang.
Hydrogel eye patch. Ang panis. Eh talagang yung nginumuya niya yung ginagawa. Merry Christmas!
Wait, isa bangus.
Pinang ano naman.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas everyone! Merry Christmas!